Hello friends, welcome to jQuery UI tutorial. In this video, we are going to create a simple button using the jQuery UI API. Now let's proceed. In the script, we have some sample buttons. In the first div, we have buttons that will be turned into jQuery button. If you see, we have some sample button in the sense here we have 4 buttons, right? These are all normal HTML button, right? And in the first div tag, so this is what we are calling it as a first div tag, we have buttons that will be turned into jQuery button, right? So all these button we want to turn into jQuery button. The second div has the normal buttons. So see, this is our second div tag, and here we are simply having a normal HTML button. In jQuery script, the call to button converts the HTML buttons into jQuery button, right? Here we have $document ready, right? This is the jQuery API function. When document is ready, it will call the handler function, right? And inside that handler function, if you see, we are making call to div UI widget, right? Div UI widget, right? Dot means class, right? In the selector, div UI widget, then select all the button. Div UI widget will select this tag, button will select all the children's. Then we are making call to the button. So this call to button will turn this HTML button into the jQuery UI styled button, because here we are using the class attribute UI button in all these 4 buttons. So this class will help in converting these HTML button and applying the required theme. So the call to button will do that. So when we are running the example, you will see all these buttons displayed as a jQuery button, and these two will get displayed as a normal button. Now let's go to the demo. Alright, now we will create a new example. First we will do the cleanup. Here I am copying the code. From our previous example. And we don't want this style, we will remove it. We still need the CSS style, so we will have that. I mean, this is CSS style we need because this is coming from theme, right? Let's use the same theme. Let's have this JavaScript jQuery, right? Here we are referring the JavaScript API. This is jQuery UI API, and here is the $document ready function from our previous example. We will remove it, and we will remove the body tag also for now. I mean the body content. So inside the body content, now we have 4 HTML button with the class attribute UI button. So this UI button is coming from the CSS file here. You can search this CSS file for UI button to know what are all the classes or the style rules applied to it. Alright, then we have one more div tag to have normal HTML button. So at this stage, since we are not invoking any jQuery API, if you run, all are looking like normal button, right? But here, this one, if you see, it looks somewhat big, right? But this is because of the UI button class attribute. Now we will make a call to the button and see how it is turning this into the jQuery button. So previously we saw that when you make a call to UI button, it will enable CSS styling on the button. But to make use of the jQuery UI's functionality offered, we need to convert all these as a jQuery button. So here we are making call to button, and this will convert this normal HTML button into jQuery button, thereby enabling the jQuery functionality. You won't see much difference. See, this is all right. Now these are all jQuery buttons. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.